At the time when political turmoil was on the peak in Nepal, Oli approached China, which is said to have played a significant role in saving his government. India and Nepal share a unique relationship of friendship and cooperation by open borders and direct people to people contact. But Nepal has now raised rhetoric by releasing a controversial map of the country which shows Indian territories of Lipu Lake, Kalapani, and Limpia Dura as its own. The question arises that at the time when India and China have enhanced military presence in Ladakh, why Nepal has opened a front against India? Recently, Indian Army General Manoj Mukund Narwane said that if Nepal is raising this issue, it is going so that at someone else's behest. In the early May, the political crisis had deepened in Nepal, and senior leaders of Nepal Communist Party had publicly demanded Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli's resignation. At the time when political turmoil was at its peak, Oli approached China, which is said to have played a significant role in saving his government. Chinese ambassador held a series of meetings with senior Nepal Communist Party leaders and resolved the crisis. She also sought the support of Nepal against an international movement targeting China. Most political analysts agree that it is not Nepal but Oli personally who is behind these developments. Oli has manipulated the UML and MC merger process to capture both the post of party chairman and president. He also made his close confidant as president. When there was opposition by Madhav Nepal and Prachanda to his leadership of the party, Oli approached Chinese ambassador for help again. The Chinese ambassador pressurized Madhav Nepal and Prachanda to back off and saved Oli. Now Oli is paying back for this help. It is also believed that China engineered the grand alliance of the biggest communist parties in Nepal. In 2018, KP Sharma Oli and Pushpa Kamal Dahal, better known as Prachanda, had joined hands to form Nepal Communist Party. The way New Delhi used to influence Nepal politics has now been replaced by China. In the past, Nepal never had any objection over India constructing road till Lipu Lake Pass for ensuring a smooth ride to Kailash Mansarovar. A day after Nepal's cabinet endorsed a map showing of Indian territories of Lipu Lake, Kalapani and Limpia areas as part of its territory, India termed it as artificial enlargement of territorial claims. This unilateral act is not based on historical facts and evidence. It is contrary to the bilateral understanding to resolve the outstanding boundary issues through diplomatic dialogue. Such artificial enlargement of territorial claims will not be accepted by India, said Anurag Srivastava, who is official spokesperson of Indian Ministry of External Affairs. MEA added that Nepal is very well aware of India's consistent position on this. We urge the government of Nepal to refrain from such unjustified cartographic assertion and respect India's sovereignty and territorial integrity. We hope that Nepalese leadership will create a positive atmosphere for diplomatic dialogue to resolve the outstanding boundary issues, the MEA said. New Delhi sees an increased Chinese role in Nepal as a reason for current remarks by Kathmandu. He said, if we peep into the history, when British demarcated the border between India and Nepal, they made the Mahakali River as the base. Nepal believes that its boundary does not start from river, but from the first waterfall in the mountains. If this claim of Nepal is accepted, India will have to lose 5-kilometer area to Nepal, covering about 32 square kilometers, besides a large part of the Lipu Lake Pass. In the 19th century, Britain had attacked Nepal several times and reached an agreement known as Sagauli Accord. Under this agreement, Nepal gave up its claim on the areas of India which it had in possession. During the 1857 War of Independence, Nepal's army held Britain, and pleased with this, Britain had returned a lot of land to Nepal, especially the areas of Tarai region including Janakpur and Kapilavastu. Indo-Nepal boundaries were redetermined in 1865, and after a silence of so many years, Nepal's recent move appears to be at the behest of China.